Hello students, after completion of 3 exercises from the chapter number 14, आज हम करेंगे WL and WHL of the compound consonants. It's a part of compound consonants. A small initial hook is used before W with upward L to create a sound of well, with L. Clear है? Next, a large initial hook prefixes WH for the heavy sound of W to upward L with upward L क्या create करेगा well, ठीक है, as in wheel. Clear है? These hooks are read first, then we can write the consonant of upward L. As in well, hook of W, upward L on the line, light dot on the second place of upward L before it. Next is welfare. Similar well, only add होएगा F and downward R, heavy dot on the second place of F after it. Will, same outline, through the line से start होगी and placing the dot vowel on the third place of upward L before it. Similar है willing, only joining with NG stroke. Next is unwilling. Unwilling N stroke लेना पड़ेगा on the line से, N stroke with will with NG and light dash on the second place of N before it. Next is wild. Same है, will बनाते हैं जैसे above the line with D stroke and I diphthong is used before will on the first place of well before it. Next is wall. Above the line same and a heavy dash on the first place of upward L before it. Wealth. On the line well with ith stroke, light dot on the second place of upward L before it. While. These are the examples of large initial hook, WH with L sound, large initial hook with upward L above the line and I diphthong on the first place of upward L before it. Same outline through the line is used here for wheel. Clear है? Heavy dot on the third place of upward L before it. Meanwhile, M stroke, N stroke through the line से start करते हुए with while and meanwhile है तो heavy dot on the third place of N before it and I diphthong on the first place of upward L before it. This is exercise number 112 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Will you kindly let me know where I might obtain a copy of the book published some time ago, which embodied the results of an investigation by several scholars into the importance of physical training. I cannot find it anywhere. I shall catch the 3 o'clock train from town. Will you be able to meet me at the station? I should be unwilling to impose on your kindness, and I do not know whether you will be free to meet me. If my request is an imposition, please ignore it. While I was delighted to learn how well the scholars did in the history examination, I was not greatly surprised in view of the great care with which their preparation was planned. While I am quite willing to believe that this method of shipment is an improvement and that there would be an important saving. I think we should wait until we have had an opportunity to tell whether it will be satisfactory. Meanwhile, I think the largest portion of our shipments should go according to the usual method. So these are the Wl and Whl hooks, and it's exercise number 112. इसके आगे की एक्सरसाइज हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.